intro to be, "Hi, spooky skibbities," and Juliet vetoed it. She was not into it. And then as we were getting ready to film, she was like, "Okay, Mom, do you want to do our intro? We could say Happy Halloween, spooky skibbities." And I was like, "Yes, I do." So I think it like really killed her to do that, but thank you, Juliet, for sucking it up for me. If you have a teenager or a tween, I'm sure they're saying skibbity, like, but is that phrase dying?
It is.
It is dying out. Last year it was all the rage. Skibbity this, skibbity that.
If you're in middle school or high school, then you know the most common saying right now is 6, 7. And if no one knows what that means, I don't know what it means either. So
It's like, it's very hard to keep up with the kids.
Yeah.
These days. Anyways, it is Halloween. Happy Halloween to you guys. Please let us know in the comments what you do. What's your tradition? Or maybe you're breaking tradition and doing something else this year. I shared yesterday that what we do is we go trick-or-treating with our kids. And then we come home somewhat early so that we can pass out candy to the kids in our neighborhood. We're really the only people in our neighborhood that decorate. I mean, there's some little decorations. A couple houses have done a couple things, but we, like, when you pull into like we live in a townhouse, so like townhouse community, you can see our house from like several houses
and also
away.
when we made by other people put up a decorations, like one like string of lights and a Happy Halloween sign on their door.
Yeah, it's very minimal. I mean, they're trying, but we definitely are the house where it's like, whoa, like the kids love it. I even had this kid come up to me the other day and he was like, "Do you make those?" Because all of our stuff is inflatables. And I was like, "I wish." No, we buy these. And I had another neighbor ask me if we sold them. Like, she thought we had like a business because we have so many inflatables. She thought we had a business and like sold them. And I'm like, "No, we're just crazy."
Oh no, we should charge. If people want to take pictures with us, we should charge them. We should have a photo booth.
We should have a photo op where people can take photos. Yeah, that would be fun.
$100 per photo.
That's a little.
We'd be making
excessive.
our millions.
We would be making our millions. We would be making our millions. Okay, so you guys are here to see what we got for day 31. Let's see what we got for day 31. Oh, it's for me. I think it's a blanket.
Depending on what it is, I might steal it.
Oh, it's the Addams Family, but it's like the whole family. I do have an Addams Family blanket, but it's just Morticia and Gomez, and it's like, it's just like their silhouettes, but this has got the whole family from the TV show. Let me show you guys. And luckily it has a blanket so you can see. But, oh, ring light. That is so cool. Speaking of Addams Family, you guys have to tell us in the comments, what is your favorite rendition of the Addams Family? Is it the TV show, like the original people? Is it Tim Burton's Addams Family with Angelica Houston and Christina Ricci? Or and then there was also, I think there was like a Daryl Hannah Addams Family. And Tim Curry was Gomez, Daryl Hannah was Morticia. I never saw that one, but I didn't hear great things about it. And then of course there's Wednesday, the TV series. So let us know what your favorite is. My absolute hands down favorite is Tim Burton's with
I love the movie.
Yeah, with Angelica Houston and everybody. So
I like the camp one.
Oh, Addams Family Values. Yeah, that one's great.
Makes me mad.
It's intense. I do love the TV show. I just didn't grow up with it. I grew up with the movie, so that's what I love the most. Okay. I was trying to open this, but there's too many things. I will also insert a photo of it all spread out.
I can hold it up.
You want to? Well, I guess we could try. Yeah, it's hard to see. We'll just insert a photo, but this is awesome. I love this. Did you still want this one?
Well, if they watched our last video, then they might know we got something similar to that. So I think.
Oh yeah, you guys have to watch our last video. It was a really cool item. Anyways, this is awesome. This is a great way to end it because we love Addams Family. Also, if you guys are new, we did do an Addams Family photo shoot like 3 years ago. I did a video on it. I will link it above. The photos came out amazing. It was so fun. Okay, that's it. This is it for Vlogtober. What?
We did it.
Will we be doing Vlogtober next year? You're not gonna say? I guess you guys will have to wait and see. This was an awesome, awesome Vlogtober 2025. And thank you so much, Mom, Grammy Di, for curating this. It is not cheap. It takes a lot of time and effort and all the things. So thank you so much for doing it for us. We are so grateful. Thank you guys for coming and watching the videos and commenting. Like, it means so much to us when Vlogtober rolls around again and we see everybody coming back to watch it. So we really do appreciate the comments and the engagement and everything. So thank you guys. Have a wonderful Halloween. Is there anything you want to say?
Make sure to check y'all's candy.
Yes, be safe and check your candy, of course.
Because we have psychos out here.
We do. Anyways, we will see you guys in another video. I'm not sure what it'll be, but I'm sure we'll do another one. And thank you guys so much for watching Vlogtober 2025. We love you all.